Right, so I've got here a really nice Orskey dash cam. So it's an S950 dash cam, and it's come nicely boxed up. So let's have a look and see what we think. Always nice to unwrap things. Right, okay, so 4K front and rear camera, super night vision. It's got a 3-inch screen. Right, it looks interesting anyway. Right, let's have an unpack. Right, so you've got a nice instruction manual. What's this for? Remove dirt from windscreen. Oh right, so that is this is used to stick this onto the windscreen of the car. Right, so let's have a look at the actual unit. Right, it looks nice. Wow. Oh, I see. So that's magnetic. Right, I like that. That's the screen cover. I like that. It's really nice. I know it takes SD card up to 128 gigs, and you've got in here, I should imagine, a box of accessories. Let's have a look and see what they give us. Right. Everything's nicely wrapped up, which is nice. Okay, so you've got a nice long charging lead for it. That looks pretty decent quality. And then you've got here the cable that you can plug it into a laptop, or you could charge it if you want to with this, with a USB plug. You can do that, which is good. And then in here, what else we got? Let's have a look. Right, so you've got pads and some screws. Right, some more sticky pads. Okay, right, nice. And then you've got the rear camera, and that plugs in. So yeah, I mean, I think this looks very nice. It's also got a little protective cover over the front of the unit, and then you've got all the function buttons on the side. Right, so it's got different modes and everything, and that's where you insert your SD card. Right, so it looks really quite cool, to be honest. And the power button, because I don't read manuals. Right, well, I should imagine it's got no power, so it's going to need charging. So let's plug this in. Right, so, okay, so that's, will go into here. And I'm going to just stick it into my laptop and see what we think. Right, so that's it. Yeah, it needs powering up. Well, it needs charging up. Right, I mean, that is not bad quality. TF card is not detected. Well, no, it's not detected because I haven't put one in. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Okay. Mode. 4K, so you can obviously change that. Let's have a look. Time zone, timestamp. License plate watermarking, switch, format, no card. I have to get a card. Set the time and date, frequency, motion detection. Right, so let's see how we change the settings. Right, so that on the top there is what we use to change the settings, and then the up and down. Right, so 4K we want. Alright, so that's, and then loop recording, so bring it down, and then again, no, so bring it down, and then there you can change the time. Okay, and then exposure, parking mode. Oh right, so the parking mode, guys, is I don't know if you can see that. parking mode anyway is when you got it parked up. So if I switch it on, because I'm going to like that on, gravity sensor. Right, so let's have it at middle setting, I think. That will do quite nicely. Okay. No. Auto power off. Auto recording. Boot sound effects. Right, so I mean, it's a pretty easy menu, but I mean, you have got instructions. Like I said, I'm naughty and I don't read the instructions, but instructions are there to be read, so you should read them before you use it. So that's the unpacking of it. It looks very nice, to be honest. Definitely like the look of it. It looks definitely high quality. This is quite cool. Right, so nice and magnetic. And right, there's another thing I've just noticed. I should show you. Right, so here, on here, that's right. Is that going to power it up? I'm waiting for it to get powered on. Let's see if I've got to switch it back on. Right. Oh, something's happened. Right, that's it. So you've got to make sure it's obviously properly connected. Okay. And then that's your power button. That's it. Okay, right. So obviously you can attach the cable there, or you can attach it underneath. Right. So, I mean, to start with, I think this is quite impressive. Obviously I've got to set up in the car and see what sort of video footage it's going to record, but yeah, I mean, I think that is lovely. I'm really quite impressed with that. Okay, that's it in the moment. I shall do another video when I've got it all set up properly and it's obviously working properly. Thanks for watching the video.